Long term, you are bullish.
Long term,
Without being a financial advisor, you think we're going to hit $1 million Bitcoin this year?
Recently, CZ, former CEO of Binance, has been appointed as a strategic advisor to the Pakistan Crypto Council. In his latest interview, he explains the future of the crypto industry and the price of Bitcoin by the end of 2025 and beyond.
Long term, you are bullish.
Long term,
Without being a financial advisor, you think we're going to hit $1 million Bitcoin this year?
This year, I'm not sure.
But you are confident that we will?
Over time, yes. I don't know if it's next month, this year, or next year, or however long, but eventually we will. I think we got enough momentum that this technology is just starting. I think people kind of have very high expectations for everything to happen instantaneously. So back in 1995, people wanted real-time video conferencing. Even today, video conferencing doesn't work that well all the time, right? We still have, hey, can you see me? Can you hear me? Kind of thing. So it takes multiple, like in 1995, people want e-commerce, but the payment infrastructure wasn't there. The logistics infrastructure, the delivery wasn't there. So it took many years for Amazon to develop that. So I think people underestimate the amount of time required to develop an industry. And they're less patient. But I think longer term though, we've seen, we've been around, crypto been around for like 15 years. But the first few years, nobody cared about it. And the next few years, everyone's skeptical about it. And now people are just starting to be more serious about it. So for me, like we're just at the beginning. So I think we have many more decades to build this industry. So we'll definitely hit $1 million, I think.
Bitcoin recently held above key technical support at its 50-week moving average, and it's looking poised for a breakout and a retest of its prior highs, and possibly could see a new all-time high soon. Institutional player sentiment is strong, and retail is trickling in. The macro environment is looking positive as inflation is down and rate cuts are on the horizon. Short-term corrections can feel like bear markets, but when in doubt, zoom out and look at all the recently added value into the crypto market.
We are still in the bull market?
I think we still are. Today was not a good day, but today I think it's because of tariffs, news, stock markets tanking, and that drag crypto with it. I actually think that crypto generally follows 4-year cycles pretty closely, historically. Doesn't mean we can predict the past or the future, but I do think that I do see there's still a lot of strength, a lot of money in crypto that are ready to invest. What I see is the people with money that complain there's nothing to invest.
Sure.
And the builders are complaining that they're not getting the attention. The meme coins are kind of there, struggling a little bit as well. So I think hopefully if we can sort of push the right long-term building projects out and shine the spotlight on them, give them the exposure, and the money will follow them. And then we may even see another, bull run. I don't think we're over yet. I'm not predicting the markets. I'm very bad at that, but I'm always bullish. So,
crypto experts say the peak euphoria phase of the cycle has not happened yet, which means higher prices are still to come. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe. And if you have anything to add to the conversation, comment down below.